Yep, back at it with the bullshit. So this is our lifeline right here. This is our lifeline, and this is the failsafe. So as soon as Dawn lets go that strap behind me, she's going. Yeah, let's go. Oh shit! Yo. Dude, it fucking halted. I got scared as fuck for a second.
The brick halted.
The brick literally stopped. We needed the failsafe. Good thing we had the failsafe. Dude, that was crazy. All right, guys, it's a new day. Got the back buttoned up. Let me jump under the car and kind of show you what's going on. I do still need to put the differential in. It was freaking leaking. So the diff still needs to go in. But besides that, looking pretty good. Got everything bolted back up, fixed the springs. They were really binded up. So I was having issues, you know, picking the car up and down. But yeah, besides that, things are looking really good. So let's get out from under the car and let me go ahead and show you the FAPO kit. Now, our budget angle kit's worth it for the E36. We're about to find out. I went ahead and laid it all out, and right off the rip, like, this is the only one that fits in any of them. Like, literally, there's 2, 4, right? All together, it fits in only that one, and I don't even know if it goes in that. These ones don't fit. So, yeah. Came with no directions. I think this is the... Well, I don't think. I know, actually. This is going to be the passenger side. This is going to be the driver's side. And then, you know, parts to coordinate with them. And then, yeah, I need to figure out where these go. I believe these are going to be with this, but maybe these are. I don't know. We're going to go ahead and take off the front. So it seems relatively easy. I went ahead and PB blastered everything. We have 2 bolts here in the lollipop. We have a 22 up here to get, you know, the middle of the lower control arm off. And then we have that bolt right there underneath the coil. And I believe that's everything besides, you know, the bottom of the sway bar linkage. But it kind of looks like on the kit, this is where it actually goes. So I'm going to take it off down here just for the ease of it. And then once we put the kit on, we can see what actually is the way it goes on. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this one off up here. Then I'm probably gonna take the probably take this off. Lollipops will be last because they're right there. Good morning, everybody. It's Labor Day weekend. I took today off. It's Friday. And yeah, I'm gonna finally finish up the E36 angle kit. So I did a trial run on the passenger side. Everything lines up good, although my 15s no longer fit. So I need to get new wheels now. But yeah, basically it's all mounted up. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and show you on the other side. I just wanted to get it in on this side. I am not going to run a front sway bar. I don't know, some people told me that they don't run it, so why put it back in if nobody's running it? If I don't like the way it drives, I saved it so I can put it back in. And I got some other things I could put in, like that little strut bar at the bottom and stuff. But let's go ahead, jump on the driver's side, and get right to it. Alright, so I went ahead and got my inner tie rod in. I had to cut that a ½ inch. They're the $5 ones off of Rock Auto. I can get you the part number. This is the inner tie rod part number. It's a CarQuest number, so it looks like it's from Advanced Auto, but they're $5 on Rock Auto, so make sure you grab them. Just buy a bunch because shipping sucks. So I got that on. I had to cut it down a whole inch and then put on the outer tie rod, right? So this right here is where you're going to adjust your Ackerman. For the drifting Ackerman setup, you're going to want to pull it forward, and there's actually holes in the bottom. It goes to the holes closest to the inside to zero out the Ackerman. For more of a racing setup, just put it in the back. There's 2 settings. Forward for Ackerman, back for racing style, and then that's what it looks like. Make sure you put this bolt in before you put this piece onto the knuckle because you'll never get it in after. So this is where the tie rod's going to go to now. This is where the tie rod went before. This is just to hold it onto there. What you do for this is thin washer up top. So you put the stud in down, or you put the bolt in going this way. Thin washer underneath the bolt, the big thick rubber washer in the middle, and then the bolt and bigger washer down below. As you can see here, you know, this is easy. Obviously you got the Ackerman adjuster here, and then this part goes into the bottom of the tie rod just to help relieve stress. And then this is what's actually going to bolt onto your control arm. So I got my lollipop just nice and loose in there. You're going to want it pointing to the inside like that, because if not, you'll see it will not work and it'll be fighting with you the whole time, right? And then this just goes up to your subframe like normal. Nothing different there. So I took this girl for a drive today. It was having some issues. I thought it was going to be fuel. It's either fuel related or TPS related. Upon initial throttle, kind of bogged down. Well, it seems to only be doing that whenever my AFR sensor is dash, dash, dash. I know my sensor's bad. I need to move it down a little bit lower. It keeps getting a lot of blowback. So it eventually started reading just 14.7 solid. Ever since, as soon as it started reading 14.7 just solid, you know, it didn't fluctuate or anything with throttle. The car did not have that weird issue. So I'm wondering if that issue is AFR related. I don't know if it might put the ECU in like a limp mode or something. It might think it's like running super lean, or it might think it's running lean, so it throws it in like a limp mode, because it's definitely not thinking it's running rich, that's for sure. But another note, BMW, clean that up a little bit. That was from rubbing when I took it drifting. I did that on both sides, so I ran rust reformer on it. I am gonna unfortunately have to cut this to fit these wheels on, but paying for pleasure, I guess. You can always get a body kit and get that new piece, you know, so it's not that big of a deal. I think I actually got an extra one of those. But yeah, that's what I'm working on right now. On the other hand, Aiden's doing something kind of cool. I've always wanted to see this stuff in action. So he is using that vinyl and fabric paint on his seats. He wanted an all black Corvette, so we're making it all black. And we did a little test spray right there. It's gonna look dope. He did the center console, it already looks dope. And he did a couple pieces which are in the back of the trunk, but it doesn't matter. But yeah, he did initial spray. He used wax and grease remover, and it obviously didn't work, or something was wrong with the paint. So we're gonna hit it again. Did the buttons and everything. It looks really good. I'm actually excited for this, so. And just like that, it's black. Did you hit the back yet? Right, hey, you already hit the back.
He still needs another coat.
Yeah, for sure. Looks good. Look, this is how you know a man's gonna paint his car, when he's painting literally right next to it.
Yeah, I don't care about the paint.
Like, I mean, like, we're like, not even. But yeah, that's gonna look dope. I can't wait to see when this one side's painted, and then we'll do have like 50-50. Be kind of cool. What's up, guys? Future Corey here. I just realized I forgot to actually film an ender for this video, or even catch you up on this, so I'm gonna do that real quick. Unfortunately, I've not found any wheels to fit locally, so I'm just gonna buy new ones, right? So the secret is, for these front wheels with an angle kit, is 17 by like 8 to 17 by 9, right? But the true magic number is plus 15 offset. Some sites say ET 15, whatever. For the rear, you definitely want like 35. 35 fits mint, but if you're just gonna get all four same size, it's gonna require a little bit of camber, but oh wells. So the kit's wrapped up. By the way, it's been like a month and a half since I filmed that last clip. Do I look any different? Wiser? Smarter? Oh yeah, check this out. Drift Indy, baby. We went to Drift Indy. Broken Motion Boys went to Drift Indy. We got an Airbnb. Super stoked. So stay tuned for that video. By the way, if you've made it this far in the video, give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment down below. And if you like the content, subscribe, because that goes a long way. Like, a little bit goes a long way in terms for me. So I really appreciate it. Just want to catch you guys up and tell you the wheel offset. And here, I'll go ahead and show you a little sneak peek of what's to come. Anyways, guys, keep building your dreams, because your dreams ain't going to build themselves. Peace.